The Duke of Sussex is once again facing off with the Daily Mail's publisher, Associated Newspapers Limited. This isn't just another media spat. It's a high-stakes lawsuit where Harry and 6 others are suing the company for illegal information gathering. We're talking about private investigators allegedly bugging cars, blagging phone records, and even accessing confidential calls. In short, decades of unethical snooping, and a paper trail the Daily Mail desperately wants to keep hidden. Prince Harry has taken on the tabloid press, targeting Associated Newspapers Limited, publisher of the Daily Mail. He's seen the relentless scrutiny of the tabloids firsthand, especially through the tragic story of his mother, Princess Diana. Now he's determined to stop history from repeating itself. This lawsuit is his declaration of war against practices he believes have caused immense pain. The stage is set. On one side, a prince forging his own path. On the other, a media empire shaping public opinion. The world is watching to see if one man's courage can shake a powerful industry. Prince Harry and others allege a chilling campaign of illegal information gathering by the Daily Mail. Private investigators allegedly planted bugs in cars and homes, violating personal spaces. The lawsuit claims police were paid for sensitive information, suggesting corruption at the highest levels. Prince Harry says the foundations of this media giant are built on illegality. Even before the trial, another battle rages in the court of public opinion. Prince Harry accuses the Daily Mail's publisher of manipulating the narrative, trying the case in the media before it reaches a judge. The publisher uses its platform to attack the claimants, painting them as privileged celebrities with a grudge. Their defense, their victims, defenders of press freedom under attack. This shifts focus from illegal acts to a debate about press freedom, distracting from the real allegations. Harry, in turn, is painted as a hypocrite, demanding privacy while seeking the limelight. But his media projects are attempts to reclaim his story, away from tabloid distortion. The publisher's tactics highlight the immense power media organizations wield, not just reporting news, but shaping it. Harry's legal team argues this is an attempt to intimidate claimants and manipulate proceedings. The battle for the narrative is crucial and could influence the trial itself. In the courtroom, Prince Harry has already scored a significant victory. The judge, Mr. Justice Nicklin, ordered Associated Newspapers to conduct a deeper search for evidence, doubting their initial efforts. The publisher tried to dismiss the case as too old, but the judge ruled it had real prospects and should proceed. He emphasized that secret, illegal activity means evidence is likely concealed, so a thorough search is essential. This ruling is a blow to the publisher, forcing them to engage with the substance of the claims. It could unearth crucial documents, private investigator invoices, emails, payment records. The court insists on robust discovery, not just the publisher's word. For Harry and the claimants, it's validation. Their claims will be properly investigated. The legal system is pushing back against a powerful media entity, affirming that no one is above scrutiny. The quest for truth remains alive. Prince Harry's fight goes beyond the courtroom. It's a personal mission to reform the British press. His motivations are rooted in a lifetime of experience with what he calls a toxic media culture. The trauma of losing his mother, Princess Diana, to relentless paparazzi pursuit has shaped his resolve. Harry sees this battle as honouring her legacy, determined to prevent history from repeating with his own family. He's fighting for the fundamental right to privacy, arguing that public figures shouldn't have to surrender their private lives. This resonates in an era of data breaches and online surveillance. Privacy is a universal concern. Harry is using his position to champion a cause that affects everyone. He wants to break the unspoken deal where sensationalism and intrusion are accepted as the price of news. By challenging one of the biggest publishers, he's sending a message: the old ways are no longer acceptable. This isn't just a prince's complaint. It's a call for a new era of press ethics. The fight is for respect, dignity and truth. The Daily Mail has long positioned itself as a moral arbiter, lecturing on decency and justice. Yet now it stands accused of the very unlawful behaviour it condemns in others, a staggering double standard. The Mail once claimed to be above the phone hacking scandal, taking the moral high ground. Now, with new allegations of bugging and blagging, those claims ring hollow. This hypocrisy is central to Harry's case. He's challenging an institution that claims moral authority it may not deserve. The lawsuit forces the Mail to confront its own standards. How can it campaign for law and order while allegedly breaking the law? The publisher's image as a moral crusader is under threat. By exposing this double standard, Harry is challenging the Mail's legitimacy as a national moral compass. The trial will put not just the publisher's methods, but its entire platform on display. It's a battle over who gets to define the nation's values. As the trial approaches, the stakes couldn't be higher. This isn't just another celebrity lawsuit. It could reshape the British media landscape. A victory for Harry could trigger a wave of legal challenges and force a new inquiry into press standards. The financial and reputational damage would be immense, and it could finally end the dark arts of information gathering. Harry has risked his reputation to bring these issues to light. Soon we'll see if truth and justice can prevail. Prince Harry has been mocked, ridiculed and dismissed by the very papers that profited off his pain. But as this legal battle unfolds, it's becoming clear he's not just fighting for himself. He's fighting for truth, privacy and dignity. Values the British press sold long ago for clicks and cash. This is Meghan and Harry Tales. If you stand with Harry's fight for justice, hit that like button, subscribe and share this video so the truth gets louder than the lies. Because the storm is coming, and this time the tabloids are the ones on trial.